To download the Zelle app and create a new account, start by going to the App Store on your mobile device. If you have an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. And if you have an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. Search for Zelle in the search bar and click on the Zelle app icon to go to the download page. Once you are on the download page, click the download or install button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. Once the app is installed, click the Open button to launch the Zelle app. When you open the Zelle app for the first time, you will be prompted to create a new account. Click the Get Started button to begin the account creation process. You will be asked to enter your mobile number to receive a verification code. Enter your mobile number and click the Next button. You will then receive a verification code on your mobile device. Enter the verification code in the app and click the Next button. You will then be asked to create a password for your Zelle account. Choose a strong and unique password that you can remember. After creating your password, you will be asked to enter some basic information such as your name and email address. Enter this information and click the Next button. You will then be asked to link your bank account or credit card to your Zelle account. You can do this by selecting your bank from the list of available banks or by manually entering your bank account information. Once you have linked your bank account or credit card, you will be able to send and receive money using the Zelle app. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the app and understand the fees associated with using Zelle. It is also important to keep your account information secure and only send money to people you trust. In conclusion, downloading the Zelle app and creating a new account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money quickly and securely. Remember to always keep your account information secure and only use Zelle to send money to people you trust.